Well, here we are, January 12th, 2020, with my mom, Wendella F. Poro. We're having lunch, some veggie soup with garlic, apple juice, yogurt with blueberries, with her son, Lewis. How you doing, Mom?
I'm doing fine now that I'm with you.
Oh, thank you. I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
Yeah, well, we're got to keep it going,
Mm-hmm.
despite the struggles that we have.
Oh, well.
Trying our best, aren't we?
It just seems that I stopped believing what you were saying to me, and I believe it, and then all of a sudden I don't believe a thing.
Oh,
And then there's nothing to believe in. And
okay.
I would like to keep the dog at least for 1 month.
All right. Okay, keep the dog?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay.
All
Because
right.
I always wanted that dog.
Okay, that's good.
And I can take him for a walk right here on the patio.
Okay.
And then when he does his poops, I can clean him up right away.
Okay, great. We'll have him do that.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we better get back to your soup, Mom.
Okay. And the soup is just great. And a very nice flavor.
Yeah.
Extremely nice. The nicest one so far.
Oh, good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Well,
And you're beginning to learn how to make soup.
yeah, it's about time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Well, we gotta get.
We've downed some terrible soups.
Oh. Okay. That's good to hear. Okay. Well, at least I'm improving.
Yeah.
So are you, Billy. You'll be up walking your dog here shortly.
Yeah, that'll be very nice.
Okay.
And even I'll have them for the summer.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, we better go now.
All right.
Goodbye. I love you.
I love you very much.
Yeah. Okay.
You
I love you too.
Love you. You're my greatest.
Thank you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Goodbye.